my little babies, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with another tutorial slash try on haul. I actually bought some things from Pretty Little Thing, and this is my first time actually buying stuff from this website, so my sizing is a little off, but you know, as I continue to order, I'll actually, you know, find out what's my size. But if you like to see this try on haul of these pieces that I bought, please like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to watch this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first piece that I have is this t-shirt. It's a oversized t-shirt. It could be a t-shirt dress, but on me, no. I got this in a large. It is called the Overdress Slogan Yellow t-shirt. I got it in a large, and it was $18, and I believe it was like 30% off of that as well. This t-shirt is really comfy. I will probably wear it with some black jeans or maybe some army fatigue pants, something different. It's just a comfortable t-shirt that you can wear. I really like this t-shirt because yellow is just so bright and fun. So yes, this is definitely a pickup. So yeah, nice oversized t-shirt. So let's get into the next item. Okay, so the next item is actually these glasses that I got from Pretty Little Thing, and these glasses are actually called the Tortoiseshell flat top glasses, and these were $15 with 30% off. And look at these glasses, like, okay, like these glasses are amazing. They're different. I've never seen anything like them anywhere, so I definitely had to pick these up, and I wear these all the time. These are definitely a steal, and they're a vibe. So yeah, you can actually wear this together, and it'll definitely be a look. So yeah, let's get into the next piece. Okay, so this next piece is another t-shirt that I got from Pretty Little Thing, and I actually got it in a, oh, it's one size fit all, I guess. Well, not all, but you know, most. And yeah, it's called the White Sundial. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. It's called the White Homecoming Slogan long sleeve top, and I got it in a large, so it does have a size. That was the belt I got. And this was $28 with 30% off. I got this because of the sleeve. It has like a pink writing on it that says last of the true believers, and the back has this like dope color, green and yellow. It's big, comfy, oversized. I'll probably wear it with some knee boots. It has like an eagle on the front that says homecoming, which is pretty dope. So yeah, I definitely like this t-shirt. It's definitely comfortable. I'll probably put on like a fanny pack around to like cinch in my waist, because you know, with oversized stuff, it can actually swallow your shape. So put something around it to like bring it all together, and yeah, it's a look. So let's get into the next pieces. The next piece is this Yeezy inspired shirt. It's like a crop top shirt. It's charcoal blue off the shoulder sweater. I got this in a 16. Yeah, so I just thought this was like comfortable. I will probably wear it with some like maybe like a green, army green kind of pants. I don't know, that's just something that I'm envisioning with this, or some white pants or some tan Yeezy kind of either biker shorts or pants, something. But it's definitely comfortable. It's off the shoulder with the little seam like in the front that makes it a little different. Yeah, and it's just really like flowy. So yeah, this is that. This was, I believe, oh god, I don't even have a price for you guys. I'm gonna make sure I have a price. Okay, found it. This is $22 and I got this in a 12. So yeah, this was like a perfect size, a 12 in this sweater. It fits really, really good. And I think this was like the 30% off too for the Black Friday. So let's get into the next item. So the next item is also one of the Yeezy inspired shirts. It's the off-white shoulder sweater. It says I got it in a 16, but online I got it in a 12, so I don't really know what that is. But this was $22 as well. It's the same type of shirt, off the shoulder type of shirt. Really comfortable. I would probably wear this with maybe some jeans or some biker shorts, something like that, and make it a look. And that'll be like effortless type of outfit. So let's get into the next. Oh, it's really stretchy and comfortable. I never told you guys that, but they're both stretchy and comfortable as well. So let's get into the next outfits. Well, not outfit, but piece. So this next piece that I actually got is like a unitard. It actually it's a shorts one, and I got this to go with a pair of, don't you know how you get those boots that have like the belt, and it's like the belt boots type thing? Well, Fashion Nova had some pants like that, so that's why I bought this, so that way this can go underneath that type of boot. I actually was kind of upset because the button thing was actually already missing off of it. The button's here, but the little hole thing must have popped, so I have to sew that so that it hooks in the back. But other than that, it's actually cute. I got this. This is actually called, sorry guys, it's called the Shape Black Jersey short sleeve unitard. And I got this in a size 14, and it was $28 with, of course, the 30% off. And it's just very stretchy. It's definitely see-through, so I would definitely advise you guys to put on a pair of maybe black shorts underneath, so that way you can't see through. But it's stretchy. Yeah, it's really nice and comfortable. And even so, if you don't have the thing from Fashion Nova, you can just put on some knee boots or something that go over the leg, and that's a look itself. So let's get into the next piece. Okay, so the next items that I have is a set. It's actually too big for me. I told you guys that I was learning my size in this brand. It's a sweatsuit, red camouflage. I love camouflage, and have the green on the side. I got the pants in a size 16, which I should have got a 14, and I got the top in a size 14, which is fine. I like the top. The top fits good. They do come separately, so yeah. So the top was 28 and the bottom was 35. With the 30% off. The bottom is the only thing that's like a little too big for me. And I really don't know how I would like improvise. It just makes my booty look saggy, and I don't like that. But this is the whole little vibe or whatever. Yeah, so I don't know. It's comfortable, but it's just, if I wear it, it will have to be like some type of like combat boots or something to bring out the bagginess in it, because yeah, this is not gonna work at all. So yeah, but it's cute. It's a little comfy set. Yeah, so let's get into the next outfit. So yeah, this set definitely fits much better. I don't know if I got these pants in a different size. I'm sorry, you guys. So I got the pants in a 14. That's probably why. Got the red ones in a 16, and the top is in a 14 as well. So this set actually fits pretty fine. I definitely like it. It's definitely comfortable. Yeah. So yeah, it fits good. It's stretchy. I like it a lot. And yeah, I love the red that brings out the camo. I don't know why I love plaid and camo, but that's my jam. And yeah, this is that. This outfit was basically the same price as the last one. I believe it's $28 for the top. Yeah, $28 for the top and $35 for the bottom. The same with the 30% off. So let's get into the next thing. The next thing is actually a pair of shoes. So I'm going to show you that. Then I'm going to show you the banger, the last piece. Okay, so stay tuned for that. All right. Piece that I got was these black chain zip front baker boots. I'm sorry if you guys see me looking at my phone. It's actually because I'm reading the description. They're in black. Of course, the size 9. They were $70, but the 30% off. These boots are so comfortable, true to size. They actually zip in up in the front with the tongue. I like to keep it, you know, unzipping like that and wear them like this. They're so cute. Combat boots, shiny, faux leather. Nice little jazz it up. I could probably even wear this with this outfit and it'll be definitely a look. So yeah, definitely get this. The chain on it is actually like a silver black rustic type of chain, which is pretty. So yeah, definitely get these shoes. They're super comfortable. I've worn these a couple times already. But last but not least is our last and final piece, and this might be my New Year's Eve dress. So let me show you this, which is definitely my favorite. It's so freaking cute. Let me yeah, so it's like a snakeskin leopard print dress, so stretchy and comfortable. It has like a slanted type bottom, but a turtleneck type feel. I'm definitely gonna put on some type of Spanx and the right proper underwear, but this is that. This is actually called the Shape Khaki high neck snake print bodycon dress, and this is in a size 12, and it was $32, of course, with the 30% off. And I just love this. Look at this. And it's just like, oh, nice and comfy and spacious. I love this with the turtleneck and how form-fitting it is. It's really nice. I love this dress. Yeah, so this might be the look for New Year's. We'll see. And yeah, I love this a lot. But that is it, you guys. I appreciate you guys staying to the end, watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And always stay positive and love yourself. Put yourself first. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.